Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to our lecturer. English Communicative English 2, Madam Suzana binti Ahmad and fellow friends. Thank you so much for spending your time and giving opportunity to be here today. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself and my partners. My name is Muhammad Aidi bin Azizi. My first partner is Nur Najla Raihan Humaira binti Hazian. The second one is Muhammad Akmar Arif bin Zakaria, and the last one is Muhammad Akram Zakwan bin Muhammad Mustafa. Dear fellow friends, have you ever heard of cordless vacuum? Do you have cordless vacuum at home? Maybe some of you never know about this product. So today we are going to present about one product which is called a vacuum with various brand. Allow me to define our roles so I can present about cordless vacuum brand Philips, Najla talk about Dyson brand, Akmar Arif I want to share you about his brand which is Xiaomi brands, and the last one Akram want to talk about Roborox. I'm pretty sure that you all always heard about these Philips brands. Philips brands is one of the most famous brand in the world. What I want to tell you is this cordless vacuum is easy to use for both adult and children. Philips is easy to use to clean dirty in our house. So next, the characteristic. So the first one is color. So for this brand, we provide three colors, which is red color, yellow color, and green color. So for the second one, the characteristic is unique vacuum and wipe nozzle. Our floors are completely clean only after we do a final wet wipes after we vacuum. This requires effort and time, and more than one tools. What if we could do both jobs at the same time with a cordless and a joystick? The unique aqua nozzle does not only vacuum, but it wipes dust, dirt, and stains in one go. We can even add our favorite detergent in the water tank to remove up to 99% of bacteria. So next for the function. So the function for this Philip brands is full house cleaning in maximum power. So if you guys want to have the best performance, you guys will always use your cleaning device in max settings. In a cordless vacuum cleaner, it is not always possible since the runtime in turbo will run out fast. What if you guys could have a cordless vacuum cleaner that will last enough to cover your full house, thanks to the longest max performance runtime in any state? With the newest generation lithium ion batteries, you can clean more than 125 meter square on a single charge, up to 80 minutes cleaning time in eco mode, 35 minutes in a normal mode, and 28 minutes in turbo mode before you need to recharge. So the third one is the benefit of Philip brands. So the benefit is 360-degree suctions nozzle captures more from all sides. When you guys clean, you guys always want to be sure that everything that is on the floor will be picked up by your device in one go, without passing on the same surface more than once. The universal 360-degree suction nozzle captures up to 99.7% of dust and dirt in each stroke, leaving nothing on the floor. Thanks to its patent 360-degree suction technology, it picks up more dust and dirt from all sides of the nozzle, making all your movements count. So the second one is full reach everywhere, even under low furniture. Philips cordless vacuum 8000 series is flexible and easy to maneuver in tight and difficult to reach spots. The dust bucket is attached at the top so your cordless vacuum can fit in lower angles and even slide fully flat along the floor to reach under low furniture. The last one for the features is integrated crevice tool and brush plus extra accessory. Different surface require different nozzle and accessories. In Philips sticks, accessories are easy to use and always at hand with one click, like the small crevice integrated in the handheld and the brush attachment integrated in the tube. For any extra needs, there is the mini turbo brush, ideal for removing pet hair, and the extra long crevice tool for hard to reach areas. So I had explained about this Philip brand in terms of the characteristic, the features, the benefit, and the function. So uh, based on that, I hope that you guys can buy our Philip brands and use the Philip brands vacuum cordless in our house. So yeah, that's all from me, and thank you for your time for to listening to me, and thank you again.
Today, I'm going to describe to you about a product called Cordless Vacuum from Dyson. Before that, I want to intro first about this product with more details. Dyson, the British technology company established in the United Kingdom by Sir James Dyson. Did you know in Malaysia, the Dyson product brand has become popular due to the sophistication of technology in helping humans. The characteristic of this product has three colors: purple, gold, and red, that can attract the attention of buying. In addition, it also has affordable price. Each color has its own price and way of use that can help the affair of very human being. Second is a function. As we know, the purpose of this product is to clean the house. Not only that, it can also clean car, ceiling, and more. In addition, it can also drift dirt from the inside the carpet, such as dust and grime, which is difficult to clean. The third is benefit. The benefit of this product is easy to use and durable due to having a high power generator that is capable of cleaning internal and external dirt. Further, it can save an individual time in tidying up the house. For example, it simplifies the work of a housewife in managing tasks more quickly after using this product. The fourth element is feature. First, intelligently adapt to different floor. This Dyson technology is a very interesting because it has an auto mode that can automatically adjust the power on all type of floor. So, you can deep clean between carpet and hard floor without having to change accessory. Second, switch easily between three power mode. The blue one is auto mode. Automatically adjust suction power across different floor types to maximize battery life. 2. Eco mode. Up to 60 minutes of run time ideal for longer clean on all floor types. Third, boost mode. Intensive cleaning for ground in dirt. The conclusion is that the above element can know the characteristic, the function, benefit, and features as a whole. We can compare that the product from this Dyson is different from other product. This product is a very good because it can help you build a few faster.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Akram Zakram bin Mustafa. Today I'm going to describe to you about cordless vacuum product from Roborock. You know, this product is very popular in America. Now, this Roborock has been in Malaysia and become popular. Firstly, based on characteristic Roborock model, this vacuum has a small size and fit in the space of house. The size is 8 inches in diameter and 3.8 inches tall. Roborock model features with a charging dock, so you don't have any problem if the space you want clean does not have a plug. In Roborock model, we insert extra filter, extra water filter, and adjustable water tank, 2 reusable mop cloth, disposable mop cloth, a mounting plate for the disposable cloth, and a user manual. Okay, the function of Roborock vacuum is cleaning a dirty floor or carpet at home look like a news. This is a very good function. After that, can be used for mopping all type of floor. This is benefit of Roborock vacuum model. Number 1, 3 hours run time on quiet mode, so it does not create a noisy environment. Number 2, climb over 0.8-inch leaps. The number 3 benefit of this product has Alexa voice. For example, I can tell my light switch to vacuum the living room, and it let the robot know that it's time for work. The futurist. The robot has an auto-empty dock, which can empty the tank automatically even though it's being activated. In general, the information I offer for you is straightforward. With a model like this, we can make our daily work easier. In addition, this model has good qualities such as light, weight, and tiny size, as well as several advantages such as a 3 hours battery life. This product is excellent and appropriate for all communities to own. And lastly, I want to say thank you so much, and I appreciate to you because you can spend your time for my present. And bye. Have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and salam sejahtera to my English lecturer, name Puan Suzana binti Ahmad, and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Akmal Arif bin Zakaria with metric number 03DAT20F2078, and today I would like to explain or describe about one of the cordless vacuum brand that called Xiaomi. Did you know that cordless vacuum is one of the necessary product that must have in everyone's house? So I will try to explain more, or I will try to explain in detail about this product. Okay, next I will explain about the characteristic of this product. The model of the product is called Mi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This is the latest product produced by this company. It is made from China. It's made of white color and with attractive design. The material made of plastic and hard. Although it is plastic, it is hard to be damaged or broke. Then, no need for replacement part because all part can be washable. The article that I had read saying that in Malaysia the percentage of waste increased 100% from 2005 to 2018. It is dangerous to our ecosystem. So I very like with the idea that brought by this company. Then the battery life up to 30 minutes for single use, and the dimension of the product is 600 times 220 times 230 mm. Okay, next I will explain about the function of this product. First, it is created to clean up the house, especially for dust. And second, it is created to reduce the waste of energy, and it can save our time when we tidy the house. The benefits of this product: first, it is affordable and worth it to have. Second, it can clean up and won't damage our floor. And third, it is easy to install and remove. Like we can see from the design, it is simple and easy to handle. Next, the feature of this product. The feature of this product is it has 4 multifunctional brush head that we can use in different situations to tidy up our house. Okay, the conclusion of this explanation. Before this, I had explained about the benefits, the features, the function, and the characteristic of this product. I hope that everyone can understand my explanation, and I also hope that it can help you in buying the best cordless vacuum. So that's all from me. Thank you for spending your time and give me opportunity to explain or describe about this brand. So thank you. Okay, next the conclusion of this presentation. Before this, we had explained about this product, which is the characteristic, the function, the features, and the benefits of this product. We hope that everyone can understand our explanation, and we also hope that it will help you in buying the best cordless vacuum for your house.
That's all from us. Thank you for your listening and thank you for the attention that you give. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. Bye.